Okay, hi. So I recently bought this Kawaii Tarot deck because I think it's really cute. So Kawaii Tarot, 78 card deck of magic and cute. It's by Diana Lopez. So at the back, there's check out your future Kawaii style with the cutest tarot deck ever. Inside, you'll find 78 adorably illustrated cards and an accessible guidebook to help you interpret your readings. Add this deck to your collection or use it to get started with card divination. Alright, so let's check it out. Wait. Okay, so here, here is the guidebook. Kawaii Tarot, Sweet Days Ahead. So, Kawaii is actually the Japanese for cute. It's attached here. Gotta remove it first. Alright. First, here's the cover. Contents, introduction, tarot spreads, the major arcana, minor arcana, and final thoughts. Okay. Alright, you have your elements, spreads, reversed cards, major arcana, suits. This is the minor arcana. You have your numbers, court cards. So these are the kings, queens, knights, page. You have your spreads, 1 card spreads, 3 card spreads, elemental spread, the week ahead, Celtic cross, Romani spread. You have here your major arcana. You have your upright interpretation and reversed. That's really nice. And let's go to the minor. You have your upright and your reversed. So that's it. Yeah, final thoughts. Really nice. So here is the deck. Okay, it's divided into 2. So it's open. Okay. This is really hard to open. Because it's huh. No. And this is the major arcana. Okay, it's divided. This is the back part. It's really nice. You have stars. So cute. It's hard to open. Okay. Oh. 4 cups. Alright. Okay. Where is it? Alright, let's see. So here you have your major arcana. You have the Fool, Magician, High Priestess, the Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hangman, Death, okay, Temperance, Devil, still cute, Power, Star, Moon, Sun, Judgment, World, and this, I think, this is your pentacles or coins. It's Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then you have the King of Pentacles, Queen, Knight, and Page. Okay, so now we have the Ace, we have the Suit of Cups. So you have Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, King, Queen, Knight, and Page. Okay. Next, I think this is the Wands. I have candies, lollipop. Okay, Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, King, Queen, Knight, Page. And now you have the swords. Okay, and the OC. Okay, so you have here the ace, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, King of Swords, Queen, Knight, and Page. And that's it.